So you probably clicked on the video because you're wondering, what the hell is YouTube Shorts? But don't worry, I got you. We'll go over what a YouTube Short is, how you can utilize YouTube Shorts, and what it can potentially do for your channel. I just started with YouTube Shorts. Literally the first short that I posted on YouTube gained some traction, and I had to share this with you guys because it can help you grow on YouTube. And if you're a Twitch streamer like me, it can even help your Twitch streams grow. So if you liked the video, leave a like down below, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button. It shows me that you guys like these types of videos and you would want me to make more of them for you. I also stream live on Twitch every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from noon to 4 Central Standard Time. We do a lot of just chatting. So if you have any more questions that I don't answer in this video, hop on by the stream and we can talk more about it. So let's just jump into it. What is a YouTube Short? Well, it's pretty much a short YouTube video. Jokes aside, it's kind of like TikTok where they're short form videos. Like a TikTok where it's either 15 seconds or it can go up to 60 seconds max. YouTube probably saw TikTok and how it's been blowing up and helping content creators and people just get more exposure. And so they wanted to dip their toes into it and see what they can do with that formula. Now, I only have a couple of shorts on my YouTube channel so far, but my first short video that I posted has over 800 views. It gained me 20 subs in a couple of days, and that short did better than my last actual YouTube video. So the potential of YouTube Shorts is kind of insane. It is still in beta, and only India has the YouTube Shorts button within the app already. But that does not mean that you can't utilize Shorts. Anybody, and I mean anybody, can use YouTube Shorts and post a YouTube Short, and I'll tell you how to do it in this video. But if you're a smaller content creator, or you're just getting your YouTube channel started, or you're just trying to gain more subs, YouTube Shorts, at least so far from my experience, is really helping out. Now, not every short's gonna blow up, obviously. It's kind of like TikTok, and every video hits. But honestly, I still don't understand the TikTok algorithm at all. Some videos do very well, some videos don't even get shown to anybody, and I try to post on there consistently at the same time in my same niche, and still still feels like it's random. But at least with YouTube, I understand the algorithm because it's all SEO based. And so honestly, I think it might be even easier to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. Now let's go over the requirements of a YouTube Short and what you need to do to make one. So for a YouTube Short, it has to be a maximum length of 60 seconds, 1 minute. But like TikTok, shorter videos like 15 seconds is probably the better route to go because people have short attention spans, right? And they usually just keep swiping. So I would just try to keep your videos as short as possible, but if you can't, 60 seconds is the maximum that you can for a YouTube Short. Now, this is another very important thing that you need to do, because if you don't do this, your video will not categorize as a YouTube Short, but it needs to be uploaded in vertical format. So standard format is 1920 by 1080, which gives you that like portrait size, that usual screen size, right? You need to flip those numbers, make it 1080 by 1920. It needs to be in vertical format and not landscape. So make sure you change the dimensions when you film, either on your phone or on your camera, or if you throw it into your editor like Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you're a Twitch streamer like me and you like to put your clips onto TikTok, but you need help editing those, check out my video that I have on my YouTube channel on how to take your Twitch clips and put them onto TikTok in that vertical mode. Once you do that, when you upload the video onto YouTube, after you type in your description and all your keywords, just like in a regular YouTube video, you need to put hashtag shorts and or hashtag YouTube Shorts. But the one that you definitely need is hashtag shorts in your description or in your title, so that the YouTube algorithm knows this video is trying to be categorized as a short and not a regular video, and then it's more likely that YouTube will take the video and push it to the shorts shelf so that people can watch it. And that's actually pretty much all the requirements that you need to make your video a YouTube Short and not a regular video on YouTube. It's super easy to do, and what I've been doing right now is I have a plethora of videos on my TikTok account that I'm just repurposing onto YouTube, which, by the way, it is okay. There's a lot of questions out there that are saying, can you use the songs from TikTok on YouTube, or will you get a copyright strike? And no, you will not, because YouTube Shorts cannot be monetized. There will be no ad revenue, no ads or anything on YouTube Shorts. So you can repurpose your TikToks that already have an audio or a song from there and put them onto YouTube, and you'll be okay. For the next part of this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to repurpose your TikToks and post them into YouTube, creating a YouTube short. Step by step, super easy. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let me show you how you can repurpose your TikToks and upload them to YouTube as a YouTube short. It's really simple. So the website that I use is called snaptik.app. I'll have the link in the description below, but this is what the homepage looks like. You're also going to be logged into TikTok on your web browser as well. So I'm logged into my account right here. And then all you have to do is hover over one of your TikToks and right click it, and then copy the link address. Then what you're going to want to do is go back to Snaptik, and then in the bar right here, and then paste that address that we just copied and click on the green download button. You'll see that there's a progress bar. And then once it's done, it'll show you that you can download from one of 3 servers. I just click on server 1, and then as you can see, it downloaded right here. And you can just click and drag it to your desktop. And then I would open it up just to make sure that it sounds okay and it's what you wanted. All right, so once you've downloaded all your TikToks that you want to repurpose, you can upload them all at once, but I would suggest you do it one by one so that you can give each short a description and the tags that you want. So on your YouTube, all you have to do is go to the top right where it says create, click on that, and then upload a video. And from here, we're just going to grab and drag our video in here, just like a normal YouTube video if you're already used to this, and then it'll start uploading it. Now, also, pro tip, I didn't do it here because I forgot, but make sure that you rename the file that your video is saved in, because YouTube actually takes that file name as a keyword. So make sure that it's not just a bunch of numbers and stuff, that it's actually one of your tags or your keywords that you would want to implement into this video so that people can search it and find it easier. But then once you're in here, let's give it a title. And now you're going to want to give your short a description. Now, once you write your description, make sure, again, you type in hashtag and you add the hashtag shorts. I like to do the hashtag shorts, and I like to use the hashtag YouTube shorts as well, so that YouTube knows this is a short. Now, like with any other video, you can even upload a thumbnail, which I need to start doing for my shorts, but I've just been kind of testing the waters with how these work so far. But you would just upload that right here. And then another thing people keep asking is, should you create a new account for YouTube Shorts so that it doesn't mess with anything on your regular account, or should you just upload them to your main account? The general consensus on this is that if you have a small following or subscriber count, it's okay to just post them on your main account because it'll help boost your numbers. But if you're really worried about it, I would just go ahead and create a new account and then link that account to your main account. What I did was I created a playlist called Shorts. And so all my videos go straight to the Shorts playlist so that people know, oh, these are my shorts and these are my regular videos that I upload. And then you just want to go through everything like you normally would for a YouTube video, adding your tags right here. I like to add the video language so that people can know what language is being spoken in my video. And then choose your category. Most of my stuff is educational, so it goes under the education category. But if it's a gaming video, I would put it into gaming and then the title of the game, which in this case is Persona 5. But then once that's all said and done, just click on next. And then you can add a card that links to another video, click on next, and then you would just click on public, and then you would publish. And then your YouTube short will be published to your YouTube channel. Now, I don't know the time frame, but it seems to be pretty quick on YouTube recognizing the video as a short video and putting it on their shorts shelf so that people can find it. Again, not every video is going to pop off magically, but like, I got really lucky with my first one because this one already has 816 views. It's my first short that I posted, and I went from 420 subs to 441 subs in just a couple of days. So try out YouTube Shorts, take your TikToks and just put them on your YouTube channel, or create new shorts and new videos and post them, and then see if it helps your channel grow. And guys, that's about it. Now you know what a YouTube short is, what the requirements are to make a YouTube short, and the potential that these shorts have to grow your channel on YouTube or on Twitch or just as a content creator. And make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think about the idea of YouTube Shorts? Do you think it's actually going to be more popular than TikTok, or is it just going to be a bust? Let me know. But anyway, if you have any more questions that I didn't answer, leave them in the comments down below or hop on by my stream and we can talk more about it. Stay safe, and I'll see you at the next video.